Boker Tov, good morning, and Moadim L'Simcha. Today is the first day of Chol Hamoed Pesach, and it's the second day of the Omer that we count and we participate in Sfira to Omer. That custom, or that practice, excuse me, I don't call it custom, it's described in the Torah. Usfartem lachem mimacharat hashabat, miyom aviyachem et Omer hatanufa, sheba shabatot mimot hiyena, Ad mimacharat hashabat hashvi'itis perucha mishum yom. You should count for yourselves on the morrow of the Shabbos, from the day in which you bring the Omer offering, which was brought that's on the second day of Pesach. You'll count for yourselves 7 full weeks, and hold on a second, I'll get the whole pasuk. Right, until you finish the last of the cycle, you'll end up counting 50 days. It's actually not 50 days. We count 49 days. When you finish the 49th day, it's the 50th, right? So the Torah is very specific about what the count is. You're counting from the time that you bring the barley offering that was cut down at the village of Motza, which is just outside of Jerusalem. They would cut the barley offering, a large stalk of barley, and they'd bring it in for a special offering. And then you'll count these days until the end of a cycle, which was also an agricultural event that was part of the religious rite. The first one is, again, the rite of the second day of Pesach. The other side of it will be after the wheat harvest. After the wheat harvest in Israel, and you'll go ahead and you'll bring loaves of bread as an offering on Shavuot. And so it is a count of the agricultural experience that connects from one date to this other, and from one practice in the Beis Hamikdash to the other practice in the Beis Hamikdash. Which leaves us with the question about, okay, so then when we don't have practice, we are not living out and carrying out the practices of the Beis Hamikdash because it does not stand at this point in time. Is there a mitzvah of sfira, of counting at all? Says the Aruch HaShulchan, Rov haposkim hiskimu the sfira de bizman hazeh eino ela de rabbanan. Most commentaries, most halachic decisors say that the sfira of nowadays, when there is no Beis Hamikdash, is only rabbinic in nature. Sherech shav leka omer. There is no omer offering. Havas firasha shebat Torah hu limnot min karbana omer ad karban shel shtei alechem. The mitzvah from the Torah was to count from that first offering of the omer, of the barley offering, until the shtei alechem, the 2 loaves of bread. Be'achshav lo shayach zeh, and nowadays it doesn't seem to apply. So, which means that we do this. We do this every night after nightfall, but we should know we're carrying out a rabbinic practice, which commemorates the original Torah practice, which we're not going to have in action right now until the Beis Hamikdash should be rebuilt soon in our days. Tomorrow we'll continue with the next part of the Aruch HaShulchan. Have a great day. Moadim L'Simcha.